Hello and welcome to the second part of the chapter The Universe. In this video we will understand about galaxies and about the solar system. So let's start. A galaxy is a massive collection of stars, dust, gas and dark matter that held together by gravity. Galaxies come in a variety of shapes like spirals, elliptical and different irregular shapes. Our galaxy is called the Milky Way galaxy and the shape of this galaxy is spiral shaped. Why the name is Milky Way galaxy? Actually, it is named Milky Way galaxy after its appearance in the night sky. As you can see, it looks like a milky white band of light. Our solar system constitutes the sun, the planets, the satellites of these planets and other celestial objects such as asteroids, comets. So if you need to define the solar system, you can define the solar system is a gravitationally bound system of the sun and the objects that orbit it. Now let's understand the main features of the sun and the other planets of the solar system. In the solar system, if you see the order from the sun, then total 8 planets we have: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Now one by one quickly we will understand all the important factors of it. Start with the sun. Children, the sun is a middle-aged star, about 4.6 billion years old. It is the main source of energy for life on Earth. It takes about 27 Earth days to rotate on its axis. The sun is made up of hydrogen and helium. Now come to the planets. And the first planet is the Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. As Mercury has no atmosphere, this planet is exposed to extreme temperature variation. Means sometimes it has extreme heat and sometimes it's a very cold conditions. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system and closest planet to the Earth. Now few characteristics you can see. It is named for the messengers of the Roman gods. What is the mass, what is the diameter and what is the value of gravity. It completes the length of one day, 58.6 Earth days. The next one is Venus. Venus is the next closest planet to the sun and is also closest to Earth. Venus has a toxic atmosphere. The surface is very hot as the atmosphere traps all the heat received from the sun. The thick atmosphere of the Venus is mainly composed of carbon dioxide, nitrogen and clouds made up of sulfuric acid. One very important point of Venus is Venus spins in a direction opposite to the direction of most of the planets. Most of the planets in the solar system rotate counterclockwise, means from west to east on their axis. But Venus rotates clockwise, or you can say east to west. Venus is also called morning star or evening star because it is visible only in the morning and the evening. Earth is the third planet from the sun and it is the only planet in the solar system that is inhabited by life. Means life is possible only in this planet. The main reason is the correct amount of water present on the Earth and the right atmosphere, means a proper temperature. And these things made it possible for life to originate and survive on this planet. Now few important characteristics is what is the gravity, 9.8 meter per second square, what is the mass, the diameter, in how many days it completes the one orbit, all you can see here. The next planet is Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system. It is also called the red planet due to the iron oxide present in the dust particle. Mars has 2 moons. The name of the moon is Phobos and Deimos. Scientists believe that millions of years ago, the conditions on Mars could have supported life forms. Remember children that all the 8 planets can be classified into 2 groups. One group that already we discussed, that 4 planets closest to the sun, means Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. These are known as inner planets or the terrestrial planets. The second group that consists the next 4 planets, that is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are known as the outer planets, or you can say the gas giants. The next one is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system, or you can say it is the massive planet in our solar system. It is 318 times more massive than Earth. It's also 2.5 times more massive than all the other planets combined. Jupiter has 67 moons. The next planet is Saturn, and it looks so beautiful because of the presence of these rings. These rings are made up of billions of chunks of ice and rocks that range in different size. Saturn has many moons, and the largest moon of the Saturn is Titan. You know, the density of the Saturn is very less than water. It means it would float if it could be fit in a bathtub. The next planet is the Uranus. The seventh planet from the Sun is Uranus, and it is a planet whose axis of rotation is tilted by almost 90 degrees. Uranus' atmosphere consists of methane, which gives Uranus its blue-green tint. It too has numerous moons and faint rings. Uranus was the first planet discovered using a telescope on 1781. One is Neptune, the eighth planet from the Sun, and it is furthest planet from the Sun. Neptune was the first planet to be predicted to exist before it was detected by the German astronomer, who used calculations to help find Neptune through a telescope. Its blue color is due to a mix of water, ammonia, and methane gas. It is an icy planet and receives very little heat from the sun. In 2006, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet, so we will not consider Pluto as a planet. In the next video, we will understand about the other celestial objects in the solar system, like water comets, meteors, asteroids, and many more. So keep watching this channel. Thank you everyone.